Google has some really sophisticated security systems in place to help you protect your account. Listen to how I said that. Google has some great security features in place to help you protect your Google account. And what that means is if you're not doing what you should be doing, Google's not going to be able to help you. Let me explain. I'm going to go over here to the B for Burris Consulting. I'm going to go to manage your Google account. Gmail or Google Workspace, we all have access to that. In here, if you go to security, you'll see that, first of all, there's a box up here with security tips. If there is anything in here, you need to execute on it because otherwise you're not doing what you need to do to protect your account. Then there's recent security activity. Look at that. February 5th, Calendly was given access to my account. Well, I did that, so I'm happy with that. I can review other security activity if I want, and you can see, fortunately, there is no unfamiliar activity on here. So pay attention to this. Look at how you have set up your account or haven't set up your account for sign-in. Do you have two-step verification turned on? When did you last change your password? Or does Google also say something in there about your password might be lax or too simple? Skip password when possible. You can do that on some devices if you haven't set up properly with facial recognition or thumb login, etc. Google Prompt, have you enabled that? Two-step verification phone numbers. Do you have at least one there? Recovery phone number, which is different than the two-step verification phone number. It could be the same phone number. Recovery email address, backup codes. Go look and see what devices are signed into your account and or when. Manage all the devices. This is critical. Do you know where these devices are? Are they you? Is there a PC on here if you're 100% Mac? Then that's a problem. 4 sessions on iPhones, or is there an Android on here? Then you don't have an Android. That's a problem. You need to look at your devices. You also need to look at connections that you've made. Maybe there's connections you don't want, or maybe there are connections that you didn't make. Look, this is really important stuff. It is our responsibility to manage our Google accounts, manage our security, manage the devices that are connected on it. Google will help you if you're managing this. And furthermore, I'm going to repeat this one more time. If you come to the myaccount.google.com/security and there are any tips here, you need to execute on this. Google pays attention to IP addresses, locations, different devices. Google pays attention to the apps that you use or don't use. These are some of the ways that Google helps us to manage the security of our Google accounts, which again includes Gmail and contacts and YouTube and Docs, etc., etc., etc. I will repeat, Google will help you manage the security on your account, but it starts with you. Right here on myaccount.google.com, click on security. I'm Teddy. I love Google Workspace and Gmail. They're powerful business tools. I never want my account to be at jeopardy, and I hope you don't ever have your account in jeopardy.